Let's analyze together the latest news of Meta.
Let's see what happened. Very interesting. We also have breaking news. We have the earnings and revenue, the best earnings ever of this stock. Very interesting to comment about it. Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Very interesting. This last week, we had the Bitcoin rally, but then the price of Mara has been going down minus 37% since the latest earnings, that have been very positive from the surprise factor perspective. So what do you think about it? And if you are enjoying this trading content, subscribe below. Welcome to Trading HD. Let's go.
Well, I gotta show you something that is very, very interesting about the net income, and it's gonna blow your mind out, So let's see together actually, because you can clearly see right here the net income and the price action right in at the top of the chart, So look at that. We were trading at this stock at $56 in 2021, and the net income was in that particular quarter 83 million. And look at that, right now we are trading at $19, and this is the best net income ever of the company. We're talking about more than 200 billion of net income. So according to this pattern, it doesn't make sense, it should be trading way higher.
It's very interesting to talk about that. Let us know in the comments your opinion about this, and also why do you think could be that the price went down after this last earnings and revenue that were obviously positive from the surprise factor. For the earnings we had 1,840% surprise factor, and then we have the revenue also like 8 million surprise factor. Wow. And 5.35%, which is a lot.
Inhumane.
Very interesting. So let's go with the forecast that we have right here. 9 analysts offering 1-year price forecast for Marathon Digital Holdings. We have the positive, the average plus 20% more or less, the maximum one plus 77%, and the minimum one minus 28%. And then we have the forecast of the estimates. What can you tell us about that, Alvaro?
Wow,
they are strange.
Yeah, so strange. The thing here is right now is like, if we take into consideration past data, you can clearly see that the estimates and surprise factors are absolutely nuts. The thing here is like, it's very difficult to predict price action of a company, that is crypto related, and that's the thing. Analysts, they don't completely understand how this works, and that's normal. There is a huge volatility in this type of stocks. So right now, the estimates, they can say, okay, it's gonna be positive, and that's where the reality. The next quarter, it should be positive, because the crypto industry has been booming in these 3 months, at least that one for sure.
Yeah, very interesting. Marathon Digital Holdings is mining Bitcoin inside of their operations. So with the Bitcoin price going higher, the earnings would go higher. Also, we saw that in the previous videos, with some news analysts talking about it. Very interesting. But despite this Bitcoin rally, Marathon Digital Holdings and also other financial stocks, this has been listed inside the week's biggest financial losers, this stock. Mm-hmm. And it doesn't make much sense unless you go deeper inside of this topic and you know what's going on. But if you have more information, let us know in the comments, because it doesn't make sense at first, when you think Bitcoin price is going higher, this company is having the best earnings ever, they are mining more Bitcoin, it should be completely related, but this isn't the case. So why do you think it's happening? I think that's a very interesting debate to have in the comments, and we can also learn from that.
What I can tell you about that, is the market cap of this stock is 5 billion. So, a market cap that is a small cap like this one, it could be manipulated in an easy way. It's like, it's not the same as trying to manipulate Apple, which has, more than 3 trillion of market cap. The thing here is like, it's just that. So you can clearly see right here, I would say we should use technical analysis only for this stock. We have the fundamentals that at least for the next quarter, they should be good. Maybe they could make like 400 million of net income based on the estimate. And if you see right here, let's draw the resistance level right here. So obviously we can clearly see that it's in a bearish trend right now, but this is for at least a swing trading move. But the thing here is like, if we see a breakout on the upside, maybe it will be a good entry.
Yeah, we could see that scenario, and also we could see the price continuing going lower. So what do you think, guys? Is this a buy or a sell, or are you just looking at this to have more experience in the trading environment? Very interesting. Let's see also how the price of Bitcoin develops during this week and this month, because I think that also the analysts are like, this stock is not completely crypto related. We saw it in previous videos, but obviously it influences, and the crypto market is completely crazy. You know, you can have huge volatility, you can have a bullish spike, and then you can have a bearish market, and you know, you can kind of predict it, but it's not as easy as other types of markets that are more conservative. So maybe that's the reason why, even that they had these incredible earnings, the market didn't react in that positive way, because they are expecting something different. Very difficult to predict this type of stocks, but I'm happy that we have a lot of subscribers that share with us their opinions in the comments, and we can have from their feedback to the next video, talk about it. Because in the previous video we had some various comments telling that it was like a sell, or also like the stock was being diluted and something like that. You know, very interesting. Thank you for sharing those opinions, because we always learn new things and we can comment them right here. So what do you think right now? How do you see Mara for 2024? Let us know your forecast below.
Exactly. Thank you very much, guys. And we have a video right here for you, dedicated. And remember to subscribe again. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice week. Tomorrow, more videos. Keep tuned.